When I have a bob,
Stiff what? Stiff what?
y'all are gonna be sick of me.
I am a homo. Back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipecharming. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I define my curls, and I haven't done a curly hair routine in years. And that was actually my first successful YouTube video, so I kind of wanted to bring that back.
Bring that shit back.
I don't see a lot of people with shorter hair, and then people will say short hair, and then they'll have like a bob, or their hair will be like shoulder length, and to some that may be considered short, but bro, this is short. This is short. When I have a bob,
Stiff what? Stiff what?
y'all are gonna be sick of me. I've been growing my hair since January. I'm in that awkward stage of too short to kind of just like do a little quick wash and go, but too long to kind of do a little quick wash and go. But I finally figured my curls out, which that's never ever been the case. And a lot of people say they can't grip my hair, which I don't know if that's still accurate because my hair is pretty lengthy.
I'm not
Wrong.
It's actually a lot longer than it looks. It's just the fact that I've defined the curls so much that I actually have shrinkage.
Just keep saying it. Keep saying it out loud. And maybe you will convince Hope, because you won't be convincing anybody else, so dream on.
And some of y'all may know, like, shrinkage has never been like a real thing for me, but since I've been defining my curls, the shrinkage is real.
barely.
Anyway, so let's go right on ahead with the curl defining tutorial. Is your hair causing screams of terror? Watch this tutorial and your hair will be causing sweet dreams. First thing first, you already know, wild growth on the scalp, and that's on Big Purr. Take the wild growth, massage it into the scalp using a plastic pick, so that you do not stab your cranium with a metal pick, or any pick for that matter. We're gonna get into that a little later. Then you want to take your leave-in conditioner. I'm using this Curls Unleashed Cocoa and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner and style cream. It's just what I've been using as of late. It's made with cocoa seed butter, aloe juice. It's a clean, pleasant smell to it. You guys know I love hair products that smell, or products in general, that just smell really great. Follow it up with just a little spritz of water on my hair, and then I start to shape my parting space. I like to part my hair on my left just to give my little afro puff a little shape to it, while brushing my taper down. Since I won't need to define those sections, it's not really necessary, nor is it really possible. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel, love this stuff, take that on the back of my hand. I'm gonna start to take each curl piece by piece, clump by clump, and just coat each curl with the gel. Yes, you heard me. Curl by curl, clump by clump, section by section. And if there are too many curls kind of clumped up together, I just separate them. I'm not finger coiling. I'll finger coil here and there. It's not really necessary. More so just coating each curl with the gel. There are some portions of my hair that are a little looser in terms of curl. It's more of a wave, if you will, towards the top. When we get to, I'll let you guys know, but for the most part, I'm just coating each curl with the gel. I'm not finger coiling. Finger coiling is when you twirl your hair in your finger, so I'm more so just coating each curl with the gel. I'm sure a lot of you are probably wondering, oh my god, how long does that take? Yes, it takes hours, it takes forever, but the poppage of the curl, the way the curl just pops, and it's like a pop guarantee. You know how you have a wash and go and you chance it, you're like, oh, I hope my wash and go comes out good this time. With this, you're literally going curl by curl and defining your curl, which is gonna contribute to the longevity of the curl. So you won't have to do your hair every day or do your hair as often. For example, this may last me anywhere from 4 days to a week, depending on whether or not I sleep with my bonnet, which I hadn't slept with my bonnet, which is why I had to redo these, especially on the side, which is what made me decide to do this tutorial to show you guys. And these curls do get bigger over the course of time that you have your hair like this, and I am going to be sectioning my hair with using rubber bands just to make it easier. I would suggest using clip. Rubber bands can cause breakage, especially if you're using them dry like I did. It can cause breakage, so just use clips. Just trust the process. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do a few more of these curls. I'm going to reconvene with you guys towards the middle and at the end of the video. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below throughout the course of this video. Feel free to rewatch this video to kind of get a better hang of it. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. I hope the sound is okay. I don't have a microphone on my camera, but I'm taking this detangler brush because I don't know what it is about this leave-in, but the front portion always flakes up like this, and I think the leave-in does not like wild growth, so I think that's what it is. But I'm pretty much just using this detangler brush that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. I saw a TikTok talking about how guys stop using picks because they break your hair off, and I was like, oh, noted. And really dry detangling your hair is what breaks your hair off. I mean, I still have picks. I'll still use them every now and then, and I've only had this for about a week. Oh my god, my hair is so dirty. Do you see that? You can't even see, but I love this. It feels like I'm combing my hair with the cloud, but I will do this on freshly washed hair next time. This hair was co-washed like days ago. Do y'all see the curl and the shine? Like, I've spent hours on this, but honestly, bro, it's worth it. Never done it this defined before. My curls have never looked this good in my life. But I was like, let me film this for you guys. I don't want to get my hair braided soon, so. Anyway, don't mind my itches and my baby rubber bands. Don't come for me, but I'm pretty sure I already said that in the voiceover. Hello. I didn't, but I don't care. Come for me if you want to, child. Anyway, so you guys see how like the top of my hair is more like wavy. It's not damaged because I've never applied heat to my hair. I've never colored my hair. So it's just a matter of this. It's just a matter of the hair being longer, so the curls looser. That's the caveat to me growing my hair. At least my curl pattern loosens like crazy, but I don't mind it. At the end of the day, it's a curl pattern. By the way, if you're curious, I've been told my hair is a 3C4A. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And while you're here, be sure to check out my flat twist videos too. Let me know if you guys want to see my full wash day routine. It's pretty solid now. It's been a long time coming, but I know, if that's something you guys are interested in. So I guess we'll just have to see if you guys are feeling this video, if you guys still want curly hair content from me. In my opinion, this is better than any curly hair content I've ever dropped on my channel. So hopefully you guys are here for it. Again, feel free to leave any tips, comments, suggestions, anything that I could have said or done to make this any more helpful for you guys in the comments down below. And see you guys at the end of the video. steps are optional, but I do like to take an edge control. I like to take an edge control. I like to take an edge brush with an edge control on it and slick my taper backward and my baby hairs downward. And then I'll take my hand or my pick and lift everything up. But again, like I may have mentioned, these curls are going to get bigger and puffier over the course of me having my hair like this. So depending on your hair type, your curls, and the way that you get your hair cut or cut your hair, you may not need to do this step. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any natural hair questions that you may have, product recommendations that you may have for me. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!